So guys, here you see it, one more LeetCode game video has been came on this channel. So like by the way, now I'm solving this question in pandas, and this question is 608 question by the name of tree node, which we are solving in today's video. And we are solving this question in pandas. Why I'm not solving in MySQL or in SQL, because we are solving our all the small question in Python, so that's why I say continue with pandas. Okay, so this is a easy one question which we are solving. Sorry, it is a medium one question which we are solving, and there are the only one topic has been included in today's question by the name of database. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and all the notification bell also. Please support me, and I have also told you one more thing else. So first of all, go on to my LinkedIn, and I have give you the link in my description of my LinkedIn. So go on to my LinkedIn and please access my LinkedIn profile and follow me on there also, because whenever I upload my any video or any query or any updates I want to told you, so I will be upload their post and then you will be see it. Again, for paid promotions, you will be email me on my email by the name of Rayyan big1253@gmail.com. It is also mentioned in my channel bio. So go. Okay, and one more thing I want to tell you that follow me on my WhatsApp channel. I have also created one WhatsApp channel, and WhatsApp channel link you will be found on my LinkedIn profile. Okay, so that's why it is very important to follow me on my LinkedIn. And now let's move to computer screen. Let's start to solve this question in the LeetCode camp. So now let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing game. So guys, let's start with today's video. So in today's video, we are solving a question number 608 by the name of tree node. So now let's start our today's video. So now here he created one table tree, table of by the name of tree, in which there is he write a column name by the name of ID and PID, and the type the both of them, the type of is int, means integer, means number. ID is a column with a unique values for this table. Each row of this table contains information about the ID of a node, and the ID of its parent node is a tree in a tree. The given structure is always a valid tree. Each node in the tree can be one of three types: leaf, if the node is a leaf node; root, if the node is the root of the tree; inner, if the node is neither a leaf node nor a root node. Right? We want to write a solution to report the type of each node in the tree, and we want to return the result in any order. Please highlight this word of the any order, because we want to return the result in any order, and the result format is in the following example. Example 1, if you see this first diagram here, he created one binary tree. You see here, in which, sorry, not binary tree, this one tree in which he wrote in down 1, okay, 1 2 3 4 5, okay, means sequence wise he wrote in down the numbers. Here's 1 number, here's 2 number, here's a 3 number, here's a 4 number, here's a 5 number. Okay, so if you see here, now what is mean of it? Here you create one tree table in which the ID is 1 2 3 4 5 and PID is null. First one PID is null, second one PID is 1 3 1 4 2 and 5 2, and the output, first the ID is 1 2 3 4 5, type is root first, second inner, third leaf, fourth leaf and fifth leaf. Node word is the root node because its parent node is null and it has a child nodes 2 and 3. Node 2 is an inner node because it has parent node 1 and the child node 4 and 5. And nodes 3, 4 and 5 are leaf nodes because they have parent nodes and they do not have a child nodes. Example 2, if you view here, he gave only one, okay, here is only written down 1 in the circle. In here you get one tree table in which the ID is 1 and the PID is null, and the output is coming ID 1 and type root. Why? Because if there is only one node on the tree, you need to output its roots attributes. Okay, so just this thing, and note that this question is the same as the 3054 binary tree node, means this question and that question is similar to that. Okay, now total 2,70,000 people have submitted this question and 2 lakh only has been accepted, and topic is about database, and total 74.0% acceptances. So let's start to solve this question, by the way. So this is a medium one question which we are solving, and this is a very small 7 line of answer there it is. Okay, so now let's start to solve it. Okay, first of all let me zoom it. So we are solving this question in pandas. So first of all, we import a pandas spd. Now here we define def keyword tree node, means in these type of question we do not want to define a class of a solution. Okay, tree because all the topic is about trees, so that's why we define a tree dot data frame and then p dot data frame. One more time, semicolon, please must add a semicolon, so then you will be come out with a much space will become here, then tree, then type, okay, and then write equals to leaf, and leaf else will be in capital, by the way, 3.log 3 and then semicolon, sorry, square bracket and then id, and then dot is in, then tree, then p underscore id. Now perfect, comma, then type and then inner. Now then define tree dot log 3, then p underscore id isna, and then define here comma, then define type root, then return here tree and then define here id comma, then type. Perfect. Now we have written about all the codes, and the last thing is to run this code. So when I run this code, so let's see the running code. So when I run this code, so the running code has been accepted. In the case when the expected output is this, then also output coming same. In the case 2, the expected output is also be this, and also output has becoming same, means id is 1 and type is root, and my also output coming at the same. So the last thing is to submit this code, because the submission code is very important. Okay, so now when I submit this code, the submission code has been also be accepted, and I beat 84.30% people. So let me post this solution, so you can copy it easily as 84.30%. Paste, post. So I have posted the solution also, and it's a 608 question which we have solved in today's video by the name of tree node. So now we have solved it. Let me show you my profile. I solved total 239 questions successfully, as 239 questions which we have solved it till today. Okay, and now I have started to solve the question in I think total January. I started to solve question in January, and there is come July. Okay, means only 3, 4, 5, 3 to 7, only 7 months. 7 months I have do their solving, and you are thinking what is these are? These are the skills which you know that for solving the questions of the LeetCode camp, you must know these things. Means in advance, you know dynamic programming, segment tree, monostic stack, binary index tree, backtracking, shortest path, bitmarks, and game theory. Means that you know these things if you want to solve LeetCode camp, videos, LeetCode camp solving questions. If you want to solve it, so you must know these all the things on about DSA. Okay, so now here you can see in today's video we solved this question. So now let's meet you in the next video, and next very amazing class. Okay, so now for today, goodbye.